Terry Combs, and my secret sauce today is cleanliness is next to godliness. A clean shop, a clean workspace, a non cluttered and safe environment will reflect in the work you do. You might doubt me, but I've seen it hundreds of times. I've been in garment decorating shops from coast to coast. The clean and tidy shops produce quality output. The messy, dirty, cluttered shops produce finished products that many of us wouldn't be very proud of. And maybe proud is the operative word. When you and your staff take pride in your workspace, that translates to taking pride in what you do and what you produce. Some of you know that I've spent a big part of my career either consulting or hired to run production shops that were basically in trouble. The job descriptions were commonly, we can't get product out the door. We have too much spoilage. We have too much turnover. We can't find good help anymore. Can you help us? Can you save us? I've known from I'm known for repeating stories. So here goes another one. I was hired to run a production facility once that was hemorrhaging from every corner. Late deliveries, returns, turnover, inconsistent quality. Management stayed up front and the production team sort of existed on their own. It was a total Lord of the Flies scenario. If you don't understand the reference, I blame our education system, so look it up. Uh, on my first day, I surveyed a dirty, messy, cluttered production floor with people tripping over skids and tripping over each other. What appeared to be their favorite sport was to dip a hand in ink in the spirit of early man, cave painting worthy handprints down one wall of the building. Handprints in every variety of ink color, hundreds of handprints. The workers almost bragged about it to me. I smiled and responded, yes, that's very creative. Everyone, we're not printing tomorrow. Show up dressed, prepared to clean and to paint. And thus began a slow and steady process of building pride. First with their workplace, and then over time, pride in their work. It wasn't an overnight change, but change did come through education, positive feedback, and encouragement. And for the company, orders began shipping on time, shipping correctly, and over time, no employees ever wanted to leave that job. I'm not suggesting your own shop reaches the depths that that location had fallen into, but do you set aside 15 minutes at the end of each workday for employees to clean up their workspace and clean up the shop? Is there a schedule for cleaning the facility? Is there a specific schedule to clean the break room, right down to cleaning the coffee pot? Do you, as an owner or manager, pick up after yourself, setting an example, setting the standard? A clean and clutter-free shop is the starting point. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Go to work on Monday with that mindset, and you'll start seeing results in the products going out the door, in the attitudes of your employees, and even in your own attitude toward your own business. Cleanliness is next to godliness. That's my secret sauce for today.